Good morning students, how are you all? So students, in video number 3 today we are going to do from pages 42 to 45. Let's begin. Now see page number 42, those sparks from 1855 to 57. The sparks means chingari. So let's see what happens. Taxes continue to ruin the peasants. I told you that the Britishers used to compose a huge amount of tax, and even they used to take away their crops, and the Britishers told the Indian peasant that if they don't return the taxes on proper time, they can be jailed anytime. So this in Bengal, what happened? The Santhal scheduled caste, they lost their lands under new rules. So whatever new rules were made by the Britishers, all the Santhals, they lost their land. The land of the Santhals were taken by the white men, and they became very angry and desperate. So in 1885, what happened? They rose in rebellion. Rebellion means to war, and massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. So whoever were the supporters of European, and they just started war against them. Okay. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. Discontent means कोई खुश नहीं था किसी चीज से. इन ईस्ट इंडिया के कंपनी में जो आर्मी थे, they were also not happy, and dissatisfaction was rising day by day. So the white soldiers, I have already told you, they used to get a huge amount of pay. Even they got mansions to live in, good buildings, houses, and they were provided with servants. Their salary used to increase. They were posted timely. But what happened to Indians? No promotions or slow promotions, low salary, no mansions given or servants. So even the white men, the Angrez, asked the Indians to cross the sea, and according to the Indian religion, the religious leaders had already told that if anyone will cross the sea, their religion will be lost. So the Indians got very angry, and they said, who are these topi wala to abolish our old age customs, to stop our old age customs? Topi wala means the Angrez. And thousands of sipahis revolted, started fighting. Okay, now see Sipahi Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. So Sipahi Mangal Singh was there. He started fighting against the Britishers, and he was executed from the team. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the minds. So there were very few Englishmen who understood what was the mind, what was the custom, क्या रीति रिवाज था, क्या इंडियंस चाहते थे. बहुत कम इंग्लिशमैन सोचते थे. तो what did the Englishmen say to the Brahmins? Do you know that grease on the bullet you have to buy, it is made from the fat of cows and pigs. जो ये बुलेट पे तुम लोगों को ग्रीस बाइट करना होता है, ये काउज और जो पिग्स का मीट होता है, उससे ये ग्रीस किया हुआ है. तुम लोग रिलीजियन की बात करते हो. और ऐसा कहने पे इंडियंस बहुत गुस्सा हो गए. क्या? बिकॉज इंडियंस को पता ही नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. द वाइट मैन हैज डिसीव्ड अस टू, धोखा दिया है हमें भी. Soon chapatis were sent from village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. तो एक गांव से दूसरे गांव तक चपाटीज भेजा गया, और उसमें क्या संदेश लिखा था, क्या नोट लिखा था कि उनके जो एम्परर हैं, उनके जो राजा हैं, उनके जो किंग हैं, उनको उनकी ज़रूरत है. Yes, all my village men will be ready. So what did the people discuss amongst themselves? That their village men will be ready. Okay, similarly lotus flowers circulated among Indian soldiers. तो जो कमल का फूल था वो भी सर्कुलेट किया गया. दैट टू द फॉरेनर, मतलब अब हो गया बस बहुत ज्यादा, अब मौत आएगी फॉरेनर्स को. द मासेस गेव ऑल हेल्प एंड शेल्टर टू द पैट्रियट्स. तो पूरा पैट्रियट्स जो थे, जो देशभक्त थे, पूरी तरह से इनको हेल्प दिया गया इस रिवॉल्ट के लिए. नाउ द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 बिगैन. नाउ सी Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. बहुत बड़ा आउटब्रेक, बहुत बड़ा वॉर स्टार्ट हुआ मेरठ में. ठीक है. The sepoys marched to Delhi. The soldiers, they marched towards Delhi. And what did they say? Long live our emperor Bahadur Shastri. बहुत आपकी लंबी उम्र हो बहादुर शास्त्री. So Bahadur Shastri was the then emperor. The rebellion spread wider. You can see in the picture how the soldiers are fighting among each other. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies. So I have already told you the landlords have lost their lands because of the policies made by the British. And you know that the Britishers were very clever. They were just profiting in India. They made Indians their slaves and they were just making money. The white man's rule must end. And what did the people decided? अब white man का जो rule है, ये जो रूल कर रहे हैं हमारे ऊपर, अब ये खत्म होना हो गया है. एंड ऑल ऑफ देम डिसाइडेड यस वी विल हेल्प यू. ओके. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, द फाइट फॉर फ्रीडम 1857. मेनी फॉर्मर रूलर्स लाइक बेगम हजरत महल ऑफ लखनऊ वर बीटर. ये लोग कड़वी थी. द वाइट मैन हैज टेकन अवे माई किंगडम. इन्होंने क्या बोला? वाइट मैन ने हमारा किंगडम ले लिया है. एंड दे ऑल्सो ज्वाइंड अगेंस्ट द फॉरेनर. जो लड़ाई की जा रही थी फ्रीडम के लिए, इन्होंने सिपाहीस को ज्वाइन कर लिया क्योंकि इनका किंगडम किसने छीना था? ब्रिटिशर्स ने. नाउ सी पॉपुलर लीडर्स लाइक मौलवी अहमदुल्ला ऑफ फैजाबाद, ओके, told the people. So what did this leader told the people? Rise brother, rise. The अंग्रेज is ruining our land. अंग्रेज जो हैं, वाइट मैन जो हैं, हमारे लैंड को, हमारे भारत को वो बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. अब समय आ गया है उनके प्रति आवाज उठाने का. द पीपल रोज एवरीवेयर. dissatisfaction among the Indians arose. And what happened? War started in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope. So what did Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope? That we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. So he suggested that the Peshwa Nana Sahib, he should be made the leader of this war of independence. The patriots pounced upon the British. पाउंस मतलब जैसे शेर जो होता है, लायन जो होता है, पाउंस करता है अपने प्रे पे, डियर को, वैसे ही अब पाउंस करने का समय आ गया. एंड फॉट पीस बैटल्स ऑल ओवर नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो दे स्टार्टेड बैटल ऑल ओवर नॉर्थ इंडिया एंड स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग फॉर देयर फ्रीडम. 80-year-old कुंवर सिंह ऑफ बिहार रिसीव्ड अ बुलेट इन हिज वेस्ट. सी, मदर गंगा, दिस इज माई लास्ट ऑफरिंग टू यू. तो जब उनको बुलेट लगी तो कहते हैं, हे माँ गंगा, यू नो गंगा इज द होली रिवर ऑफ इंडिया. कहते हैं, माता गंगा, ये मेरा लास्ट ऑफरिंग है तुम्हें. ओके, दिस स्टोरी इज ओवर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 in your book only. So write the answers in your books. 5. Question 5, number 1. The ruler who fought peace battles against the British and died fighting? Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Okay. Number 2. The person who wanted to reform the society? Raja Mohan Roy, Bengal. Third one. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India? Lord Macaulay. 4. 2 popular leaders who led the revolt. Anything you can write. I have written 2 names. You can write any other name also if you know. Nana Sahib of Peshwa and Kunwar Singh. Okay, thank you.